Hi people, thanks for watching. This is a video with a difference. I went to South Central's self-build meeting down Lynbrook and it was fantastic. Never seen inside so many vans, and vans with all stages of getting through. Some of them were just empty. They'd fetched all the stuff with them, but I really enjoyed. Just watch the video, it was brilliant. South Central self-build, Facebook, it'll be in the description below. I might even, no I can't, I don't think I can put it up there. I don't know because it's a Facebook thing. Okay, watch the video. Patch of ground that they've given us. I don't think you're going to get 38 vans on there. Very, very tight. That wind. If it wasn't for that wind, I mean, I'll do a spin. It is nice. I'll pan around as well. See where it goes as well. I don't know whether you can see them or not. Now they're coming straight at me. Unless they think the selfie stick is a gun. Yeah. Typical V formation. As I say, I've also got 150 or 160 TV channels without the aerial up. I got BT Open Zone. I've been watching YouTube all morning, and Boondockers have got a nice one on. Just put it on the 29th. It's the 30th today, Friday the 30th. Another month over. So yeah. First thing in the morning, last night, I'll check what, yeah, it's 10 o'clock now. I got the crack of dawn, 5 o'clock, whoever dawn is. Noisy neighbours again. Generator going. Do you want to say good morning? This is the only van I've seen that's got oven on the front seats.
Oven on the front seat? It's going to be the new way forward.
It's the new way forward.
In the front of the van.
Well, it's good because it's eye level, and
yeah, you won't have your back bending over.
And you can see what's inside the oven. I bet that cost a pretty penny as well, didn't it?
Oh yeah, but well worth the money. The safety fit there.
Oh right, yeah.
So when you open it up,
yeah, that stops the stuff pushing it out.
That way, when you go around the roundabout, it doesn't pry itself open.
All right. There's the question that everybody always asks: how often do you reckon you're going to use it?
Well, I spend a lot of time in my van, so a lot, I reckon.
I spend a lot of time in my van. I got an oven in there, and I think I've used it twice.
I'm really looking forward to actually being able to cook
a pie,
cook a pizza.
Cook a pizza. Yeah. Well, they're easy to store, aren't they? So
well, I work on the supermarket, so I'll be able to buy one, throw it in the oven.
You'll be able to
eat and then go sleep.
Well, if you're working in the supermarket, you'll get the down-priced ones. Nice and quick. But it's coming on.
Oh yeah, she's getting there slowly.
Yeah, liking it. What are you going to cover the ply with? You're just going to
carpet it.
Yeah, just a four-way stretch. Yeah.
I've got a nice blue carpet picked out for the walls and a grey carpet picked out for the ceiling.
Right.
So
okay.
Try and add a little bit of colour to it. So
yeah.
it's not dull.
Right. And you've used ordinary Conti board there, have you?
That's normal furniture board.
Yeah. Right. And the cupboards came from Howdens. Oh, right. Oh, expensive. Yeah. Not IKEA like everybody else. Yeah. But I got to say that this is the. I moved from over there because they play in loud music. So I came over here, and now he's playing loud bloody machinery.
I'm known that guy with the tools.
Yeah. Right. Yeah. I like it. Yeah. I wanted to do that with mine, but I couldn't because, as you know, I started off with putting cars in the back.
I love the
yeah.
You haven't got to worry about making.
Well, you got storage. You got a mass of storage under there, and I'm missing that storage. I can't, if I put a bike in there, it's got to go in between the toilet, and I can't get in the toilet then. So, and I don't want to stick anything on the back doors because it'll make me another 2 foot longer.
Fire engines.
Oh, fire engines here.
Yeah, converted fire engines.
Oh, converted.
On the roof.
Oh, right. Oh, I didn't know that.
Yeah.
Right.
I saw up was it a month ago?
Right.
I was Mercedes fire engine.
Fire engine, right. So you'll be ready.
I saw it on the group about a month ago. It looks really
unique. Right. Oh, he's gone out of the way then. All right. One of the old Mercedes ones. Yeah, proper bus. Good morning. I'm all right. No, not yet. No, I've been over for breakfast.
Oh, yeah. Lovely.
Yeah. So, what we having?
Well, I'm not. I was just preparing to make a curry later for everyone.
Oh, right.
Morning, you're right. Yeah, so just looking for little boys guys around the site.
Yeah, right. It is. And it's still. Alright, ladies and gentlemen. 10:30, Luke's still asleep. We got these lazy people here doing nothing, drinking tea. Yeah. Yeah, might even have another one. Right. Well, everybody wants to look at my van for some reason again today. I don't know why. Because it's built out of scrap. It is. Well, yeah. If anybody came along now and offered me 10 grand for it, I'd take it. Yeah. It's cost me a lot more than that. Yeah. Because it cost me 7.5 grand to buy the van. Yeah. And I've had everything new underneath and in and on. And
let's imagine where the money goes.
Yeah.
This one probably would have like 10 grand.
Yeah.
And all the blood, sweat and tears.
Well, it's the blood, sweat and tears you can't get back. Right, I'm going to have a wander around, see if I can interview people.
Well, you are the wandering Womble.
I wander around. And here we have Sir Lord Virgo interviewing other people. That's what it's all about. That's what it's all about. Yeah. And you missed a good do at the Boondockers. It was a good do. Yeah. Hey, the next time.
I love all these social things, they're brilliant.
I just love it.
Funny enough, there was one or two comments as well,
you were in with them until the stupid hours of the morning.
That's actually what it should be like. You know what I mean? It's not like there isn't those them and us. We're all the same.
We're all the same. Yeah.
And I think next time it should all just be a mix of everybody everywhere.
Everywhere. Yes. Split them up.
Yeah.
Yeah. They just wanted a special circle.
Yeah. That's fair enough.
Yeah. I didn't mind, but.
Apart from me laughing at 5 o'clock in the morning.
Well, Kirsty was the worst. You could hear Kirsty 3 fields away.
I made up for it because we was only there for one night, so I thought, well, I better make the most of it.
Right.
Oh, of course, yeah, you didn't come until the Saturday, did you?
Yeah.
I got there again on the Thursday.
It was getting daylight. I was like, maybe I should go to bed.
Yeah.
It was a good night.
You know, sometimes I think, shall I be nasty and I'll start playing loud music at sort of 8 o'clock in the morning when they're all still trying to get to sleep.
Simply red.
Or simply, no, don't. Right, I'm going to go and have a look at the fire engine.
Yeah, go for it.
Yeah. Right. Let's have a look at the fire engine. Old Estrid. Oh yeah. You don't mind, do I? No, good. Good. Alright. Oh, good old days. Yeah.
Yeah, not just kiting.
Don't know whether you can see in there or not. I'll hold the camera and which way you gotta go? Once more, right. Got it. Yep. Oh, utilised for the winch went. Yeah. Excuse me. It's old school. This is the stuff I used to work on. Bit of personnel over both sides as well. Oh, I just realised it is left-hand drive. Yeah, Mercedes 409. Tidy. Solar on the rack. Fun balance. And the Aussie boys put the blue lights back in the roof. Don't say as that's legal.
Come back, man.
What? Come on, Lily, bring your ball.
Beaver.
I didn't know you'd go and take one.
Farm, yeah?
Have you got a driver? Not anymore.
And they did the 10 years. And it was 5 back that night. It was Radio Zero, which was an Alabama was doing. And he turned up, so yeah. It's good, yeah.
We were just watching last year.
They're watching. These guys here, they do interesting. I was at the back of the house and they were talking about watching. They heard it made it. I was like,
They go like
Lou, looking at the ball by the sea. Lou, you were talking about Watch It Festival earlier.
No, we did it years and years ago.
Right, ladies and gentlemen, Sunday after the South Central meetup, we're still on site. We've decided we're stopping another night. Just look at the weather. It's fantastic. The sun's come out. It's cooking. I've had to put a pulley back on because it's getting a little bit low now. But you could tell how everybody's enjoyed themselves because nearly everybody else is here. There must have been about 15 to 20 vans left, and we've still got a fair amount here. And we're not far off looking to go down to the pub for tea time. But there's some nice vans left here. There is some nice vans. There's Sir Virgo's. He's still here. And they're all still here. But as you can see, nobody seems to be in a rush to leave. Some of them packed up, ready to go, but I think they're deciding to stop. There's me, right in the bloody middle, again. Well, I had to get away from all the music, so I didn't come to listen to the music. I came to help people repair their vans. So we're here now.
Yeah, I was shuffling the sheets and we were setting up the cameras and whatever. And then I looked up and it was like, ooh. It was like 5 deep outside.
It was, we couldn't even...
We've got Sir Lord Virgo chatting up the women, as usual. The wife's disappeared, so he's now chatting them both up.
And we're all in awe.
The point is, have we enjoyed our weekend?
Oh, yeah, very much.
Yeah, it's been fantastic. I've never been inside so many vans and had a look. So, yeah. And now see, this is exactly what I'm on about. I get stuck for words. Because I'm in front of an audience, I hate it. I hate that.
It's brilliant though. There's
Yeah.
always a super bunch of people. Whatever
Yeah.
we've gone to, like everybody's really, really friendly.
Yeah.
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 You really listen to Red.
Yeah, I've just been talking about that on there to myself. Yeah.
Part of our group to start with, they were here originally.
No, they are subscribed to you. I think you'll find, and
Removed from this group though.
they've been removed, have they?
Darren moved,
Right.
yeah.
Okay.
Moved from this group and...
Now I'm going to have to edit this video. I'm going to have to edit this video now.
Oh, you'll be doing this?
Yes. Sorry.
Haven't known.
Oh, we have. We've named them Simply Red. I don't think they're going to understand.
Yeah, cut that bit, cut that.
That's another bloody hour editing.
As soon as they pulled away, Darren started saying...
Guess who's going to the pub?
Oh!
What did you expect? We're going to the pub. What do we do when we have got nothing else to do?
Yeah.
We go to the pub.
That's it. People run out of beer at the
Yeah,
moment.
well,
We
go to the pub. Yeah, well, we're going to eat tonight, hopefully.
Yeah,
We are going to eat.
we need to.
I definitely need
Yeah.
food.
We need to.
Yeah, don't know what I'm having yet.
Plenty of sludge.
Yeah.
Send a couple of
Pie.
beers.
You've
So
got to have
it'll be a couple of
pie.
beers to start with.
Yeah, and then pie.
Well, I did see steak and ale pie on the floor, so it could be
Yeah.
steak and ale pie.
That could be starters.
Yeah.
Yeah, that'll be
Steak and ale
starters.
pie.
Yeah. And everybody else is dodging the camera.
Yeah, we're out.
How wide is that?
How wide? Yeah, there's quite a wide angle on this. Right.